We have Assam for the parade showcasing heritage sites of Assam. We have Lower Assam in the left, including places like Manas National Park and Kamakhya Temple. And to the right, we have Upper Assam, including the UNESCO site Sheardeo Maidam and Digboi, which is the first oil refinery in India. Orai, which is considered an article of great respect by people of Assam. Taste of India, including Khamol Pan, Assamese Jol Pan, Pitha and much more. Pride of Assam, having GI tags, Namgarh, Mughal, mass culture of Majoli. Tribes of Assam like Missing, Koch Rajwanshi and Karbi.
Everyone, please clap for them.
Of the one-horned rhino, known for its vast tea plantations, rich biodiversity, and vibrant culture along the Brahmaputra Valley. Besides having such a scenic beauty, Assam has a rich history of warrior clans and fierce battles, which were fought to protect the land, culture, and people.
Not known to many, but one of the dynasty of Assam, known as Ahoms, ruled for 600 years, defeating Mughal forces 17 times in battle, resisting their expansion into the territory of Assam. Today, we have tried to present some of the eminent warriors of Assam, whose courage and strength inspire us till days. Showcasing the Veer Viranganas of Assam. Please bear with us if we make any mistakes. It was the year of 1532. The youngest daughter of Dera Hunging Supimfa, on the defeat of her husband, took up arms against Tubrak Khan, who fought for the Sultan of Bengal in the famous Dikrai Mugh battle.
Amidst war cries and bloodshed, she raised a group of voracious female warriors who fought fiercely on the battlefield, attaining Martyrdom. The tale of Mula and her bravery inspires us all till date. Tale of Mula. Coming next, Huklo Dhwaj, more famously known as Silarai, the Kite Prince, who was the greatest general Indian history ignored. By his valor, he played a significant role in expanding the empire of his elder brother, Maharaj Naranarayan of the Kus royal family. He was appointed as the chief minister and commander-in-chief of the Komota kingdom.
He was called as the Kite Prince Silarai because he moved his troops as fast as a Sila or a kite during military strikes. He fought many battles in the 16th century. The government of Assam celebrates pre-Silarai Divas annually on the full moon of Fagun Maha of the Hindu calendar.
Mughals and the Ahoms. With a history of defeating iconic words that no uncle of mine can be greater than my motherland.
A wealthy nobleman, Maniram Datta Barua, famously known as Maniram Dewan, conspired against the British Raj under their noses along with Pioli Barua. But fate had other plans, and their confidential messages fell into the wrong hands. They were captured by the British and became the first martyrs from Assam during the Sepoy Mutiny.
Give it up a huge round of applause for them. देखो रे सोनिया, काले तारे आहोरे, ओ गोरी कालिका सोरे.
When the entirety of India was burning under the rebellious flames of Quick India movement, the flames leapt in Assam as well. A procession of Indian activists bearing the flag of Azad Hind marched towards the local police station. The unarmed villagers marched bravely, knowing well they may be marching towards their imminent death, led by Virangana Konoklota Borua. A screeching bullet tore through her as she held on to her flag with valor. As she faced death in the eye, only then the flag slipped her grip. Caught immediately by Mukunda Kakoti, showcasing to the oppressors, you might kill one of us, but you can never kill the spirit instilled in all of us.
Joy!